I've never reviewed something like this. Hearing aids. We're doing set of hearing aids today. It's tech. And I know there's a few people on the channel wear hearing aids that watch the channel. So maybe this is something for you guys. And you'll be like, oh, hey, a product I would use. So today, this is the, I'm going to probably pronounce this wrong, Elehear Alpha Pro. So these are their smart hearing aids. On their website right now, these retail at about $1,000, $999. Now, again, I don't know anything about pricing for things like hearing aids. I don't know if that's expensive, it's in the ballpark, it's inexpensive, I don't know. But right now, currently, at time of filming, 50% off. That's good. We like that. So they're down to $499 US. So they say FDA registered OTC hearing aids, advanced AI noise reduction and feedback cancellation, all-day comfort, app adjustments, Bluetooth streaming, iOS and Android compatible, which is good, mid to moderate hearing loss. So that's who they're for, mid to moderate hearing loss. If you are someone that's on the moderate to almost complete hearing loss, this is not going to be for you. Free lifetime support. They do have, it looks like dark gray. Is that the only color? Yep. Style, 1 pair. Availability, sure. 20-hour battery life, crystal clear sound. Now, they did send me a product sheet, and I'm just going to read these off to you so you guys can get an idea. Maybe there's something that I say that you're like, oh, that would be good. Because again, hearing aids, I don't wear them. My wife probably thinks I should, as well as I think maybe she should at some point, but I think that's selective hearing, so we'll see. It talks about AI noise reduction. It says their AI technology excels in distinguishing human voices from background noise, preserving the natural clarity of listening experience. Small and light. The weight of these comes in at 3.8 grams and a height of 38 millimeters. Guaranteed a seamless fit, allowing users to wear it throughout the day. Again, if you're someone that needs hearing aids, wearing it all the time is probably something that is kind of important. Bluetooth, seamless transition between hearing aid and Bluetooth headset modes. Well, that's kind of nice, and compatible with iOS, which is iPhones, iPads, and Android devices. For calls and music, remote care. It says that Elehear offers professional audiologists who can assist you online in need of help. Their audiologists provide one-on-one calls to follow up with customers after receiving the hearing aids to ensure that they are able to get it functioning properly. App adjustments, so enhance your experience with user-friendly companion app, allowing you to personalize and tailor your hearing needs. Choose the best fitting mode from distinct sound scenes for an immersive auditory journey. I'm gonna try some of these just to see how it works. Crystal clear sound, yep. 20 hours of battery life under default settings without Bluetooth streaming, while the charging box provides 7 additional charges. Oh wow, 7 additional, so a total of up to 160 hours. That's a lot. They must have a big battery box. It says feedback control. So Elehear's VoClear technology is designed to deliver a clear and uninterrupted listening experience. Feedback control technology utilizes advanced algorithms to detect and precisely counteract frequency and wave shape responses. And it says affordable. Unlock the potential of affordable yet top tier OTC hearing aids without compromising your budget. That's important, right? That's important. Just so you guys know, links will be below. Now, this was sent to us, of course, but not paid for. They just kind of wanted us to show these to you guys so you were aware that they were on the market. There you go. There's some extra stuff, I guess, on the back. Some stuff on the side of the box, just in case you guys were interested. It does, I'm curious. Elehear. I wonder if they have an app that's easy to get to, because I'm going to search Elehear is what I'm searching for just to see. Nothing under Elehear. I'm hoping that they have a QR code or something in the bottom. This is a snug box. I like this though. I like the white and orange. That's nice. Okay, you do get a. Okay, so it is a good size. You guys can see that. If you were watching yesterday's video, we did a review of these Soundpeats, and I said how, and they're just earbuds, of course. And I said how large the actual box was, and you can see like how much smaller that is than these. But I think this was like 20 hours, something like that, 20, maybe 30 hours, 160 hours, 160. Like that's fantastic. Yes, USB-C, and I'm guessing it just kind of opens like that. Charging lights, very cool. it looks and feels like a pair of earbuds. Okay, anything else in this here box? You do get a 3 weeks for better hearing, 1 to 2 hours. It says begin wearing new hearing aids for 1 to 2 hours. Read aloud, listen. Okay. Week 2, 3 to 4 hours daily, and in week 3, embrace the joy. Who doesn't want to embrace the joy? That's all right. Then you get a bunch of quick starts, user manuals. I'm not going to go through all this stuff because honestly, this video would be like 7 hours long. Oh wait, but there is a QR code for the app. That is important. Let's see if that works. Okay, click and App Store for iOS. App is currently not available in your country or region. I'm wondering if this is only for US people. That's upsetting a little bit. I don't even know if you can use these without the app. I may have to put a pause on this video because if I can't get them to function, that's no good. So this is going to be, as you can see, your USB cable. Okay, just so you guys know. And you get a bunch, that's kind of a nice box too. You get some ear tips or ear caps, they call it, and a multi-function tool. But I like this. It's like a presentation box, like something you'd see at a retail store. I'm concerned now with the app not being function. What did they call it? Maybe the QR code just doesn't work anymore. Let's try that. Let's try one more time just to give it a scan. Not available. I spelled it right. Guaranteed. Nothing. Okie dokie. Well, this is not going to be a test video because I'm not going to be able to test it fully, which is sad. I wanted to. I guess if you're in Canada, pause and subscribe to my videos so that when the app actually comes out, you guys will be aware of it, and we can actually try it and get it to function. Anyways, this is it, Elehear. I'm gonna take them out, and I'm guessing it go. This would be right. I can hear music. Oh, that's loud. So I am testing. You guys hear that? It's like a little squeaky sound. So I can. Wow, that's really loud. That's what something. People with hearing disability hearing loss, I guess, that would increase a lot. It's so weird because I have a fan. You guys can't hear it. I can hear it on occasion just if I'm paying attention to it, and then it's just a little in the corner. It's so loud. But there's, oh yeah, everything is loud. Is there a way to like change that from here? Hello, hello, hello. There's a little button on the back. Hello, hello, hello. My guess would be is that it's hard to tell that you're wearing them, which is kind of nice, yes. But my guess would be that you just hear everything. Oh my gosh. I'm going to keep these for when something does go because, man, it's so loud. There's no way you could not hear anything. I'm wondering if they show up in just my Bluetooth. Yeah, they are. Elehear Alpha Pro. So if I turn those on, it actually comes up and says connected. So it knows that they're connected here. And if I turn this volume down, because I don't want them too loud for sure. If I were to go into music, oh yeah, so as soon as, it's kind of cool, I guess. As soon as the music starts, the amplification of the voice and all that kind of stuff around, so the hearing aid function seems to turn off. Now, are they the greatest earbuds in the world? No, but they work. And my guess is that as soon as you pause this, does it? Yeah, so as soon as you pause your music, then the music stops coming through and the actual hearing aid features kick back in. Wow, I can hear like everything. There's gotta be a way to turn that down. Like, what's this? Is there another? Oh, there's another button back here. Oh, I bet you that's volume. That's volume. So it's like a little toggle switch on the back. Yes, that's better. I think I had it up at full because it was so loud. Now that's better. So it's just a little bit louder. It's like a little rocker switch back there. Just a little tiny rocker switch. Down toward like the back of your head is volume down, and up is volume up, which is great because you could set these up independently, right? So if you had one ear that was worse than the other ear, you could be like, no, this one needs more volume. I could turn that one up and I get more sound coming out of that way. Or it may be even really important too if you were somewhere and the person that you wanted to hear was over on this side of you. So you just turn this one up and you turn this one down so that maybe you're on a plane and you're traveling with someone and there's somebody else on this side. you could just be like, yeah, no, can't hear you. Can't hear you, which is nice. This side though, here. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, they're good. As far as what they are, as of now, from what I can actually test, I'd say they're decent. They're good. I don't, because again, I don't have anything to compare them with, but the app's not available. So that's a little bit of a concern. So I'm going to reach out to them. They may be able to send me a prototype or an app that I can download onto my phone that's not necessarily in the app store, so at least I can test it. But I'd rather get a full version that's out there so that all my friends out here in the Canada know that it's available. Because if you buy this and you can't get the app, then you're missing the majority of the features, right? So I'll reach out to them. But as of now, Elehear Alpha Pro seems good. It seems good. And you know what? They just pop out like so. And then I'm guessing they just slide back in there like that. Yes. Charge up. Oh, that's a big case. Man, that's a big case. All right, guys, that's them. Hopefully the app comes out soon. I will do an update once that app becomes available and we can test the app with these to see how that functions. And we'll see you then. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that because you'll need to know when that video comes out. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.